Hello, my name is Sergio Hernandez. I'm doing another video for my microbiology class. This is Micro 225. Today is November I believe it's like the 19th, 20th, something like that. I know it's Tuesday, so my date's a little off. We're going to go ahead and do another experiment here. Today we're going to go ahead and take our E. coli and our S. epidermidis, and we're going to go ahead and inoculate some broths here for a motility test. And we're going to do the E. coli first. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and flame the first our E. coli, our agar, so that we sterilize the test tube, leave it ready. We're going to go ahead and get some colonies on a paper clip that I had soaking in alcohol to make sure it's nice and clean. And then we are going to go ahead and inoculate the test tubes, and then we're going to take some pictures, and we're going to go ahead and see what grows in 48 hours. So let's go ahead and do this. So first we'll go ahead and do the E. coli. So we're going to get this guy ready. We're going to uncap it. It's been sitting out at room temperature now for about 35-40 minutes as it asked. So we're going to go ahead and flame it pretty good. We got that. We're going to set this aside so we can go ahead and inoculate that. This is my E. coli. I'm going to go ahead and get one of my paper clips. Believe it or not, this is the hardest part of it, was to find some paper clips. But here we go. So I bend it a little bit so I can get it into these colonies here. So we're going to take the cap off of this guy. And this is our E. coli, and I got to scrape some colonies off this guy. Ooh, it smells lovely. I'm sure that's a couple gajillion. I'm going to go ahead and set this down. Let's put this cap because it smells lovely. We're going to go ahead and be very careful and get this in here. Straight into the agar, back out. I'm going to put this into some alcohol, get it done and out of the way. Let's reflame it. Oh, we didn't touch nothing, but we're going to go ahead and cap this. So this is our E. coli. This is again a motility test. You can see kind of where I stabbed it. We're going to put this off to the side. We're going to do now the epidermidis one. So let's open her up. I'm going to go ahead and flame this guy. Get this nice and sterile. So we'll set this guy down. Now we're going to go ahead and get our other culture here on this plate. Find a nice little spot. Okay. Now let's go ahead and introduce that into here. Trying to avoid touching any of the sides. Let's go ahead and flame her just a little bit. Recap it. Now these guys are going to get some pictures, and then we're going to see what the changes will be over 48 hours. So we'll go ahead, I'll document that, take some pictures, got some questions to answer, and then we'll go forth with that. So this is my motility test. Again, we're going to go ahead and see what these two cultures do for us. Thank you very much.